This is Robert. Robert just joined LR as a sales partner, but he's already gotten to know a lot of products. He especially likes the LR ALOE Care products. Robert is eager to start his LR business with these products. But how should he proceed? What matters when it comes to selling products? Robert is at a loss. Then his colleague Laura comes into his mind. Laura has been with LR for some time and will certainly be able to help him. Robert rings her up immediately. Laura is on the spot to assist him in building up his business with LR ALOE. Her solution, the LR ALOE Moment Sales Concept. But what are these LR ALOE moments exactly? Robert wants to know. Laura explains to him that the LR ALOE moments are the key to his success. He'll find everything he needs in the LR ALOE moments highlight set. A professional sales bag with 9 selected LR ALOE highlight products. A practical sales guide with all the important information on LR ALOE moments. Attention-grabbing LR ALOE sales flyers. Robert is excited about all those helpful materials. But what next? How do the LR ALOE moments work exactly? Laura explains that the LR ALOE moments consist of 5 simple steps, and she shows Robert the sales guide where all steps are laid out in detail. 1. The preparation. 2. The invitation of the participants to the LR ALOE product test. 3. The execution of the test. 4. The sale of the products. And 5. The inclusion of new contact recommendations. Sounds easy, Robert thinks, and immediately starts off with step number 1, the preparation. He reads through the LR collection and the product handbook to obtain comprehensive information on the LR ALOE brand and products. Then he thoroughly reads the sales guide several times until he has internalized the approach to LR ALOE moments. Now it is time to send out the invitations to the product test. Robert regularly visits the social networks and has a lot of friends there. From his profile, which he has set up for his LR business, he posts digital invitations from the LR Download Center. Robert's friends are thrilled. They would love to test the LR ALOE products together with him. Robert calls them all and makes an appointment for the product test. Robert conducts his first product test. While the participants test the products in the defined order, he tells them about their benefits and effects. After each product, the participants fill in their assessment in the product assessment sheet. Robert can simply download and print it from the LR Download Center. Now all 9 products have been tested and assessed. Based on their favorites, Robert recommends the participants matching sets with supplementary products. He uses the LR ALOE sales flyer and the set recommendations on the product information sheet for this. These can also simply be downloaded and printed from the LR Download Center. Robert's participants are delighted with his set recommendations. He instantly takes their orders. Robert is proud of his first sales closure. That was not hard at all, he thinks. And the best is that his participants know many other people who might be interested in testing the LR ALOE products. For all these new contact references, Robert uses the contact recommendation sheet from the LR Download Center. Robert is pleased. He thanks his participants and says goodbye. Back home, Robert gets a call from one of his participants. Her sister would actually love to take part in the LR ALOE product test and would like to make an appointment. Robert looks up her number in the contact recommendation sheet and calls her right away. Soon, he has already fixed the next product test. Robert is happy. That went like clockwork, he thinks. He's already looking forward to his next LR ALOE moments. Get your business rolling now with LR ALOE. LR Health and Beauty. More quality for your life.